Welcome to our fourth Digital Cold Chain Forum. We're bringing together people from across the entire pharma supply chain ecosystem. Today is about connecting, discussing, and shaping the future.
Takeaway today is really, it depends on collaboration.
Happily surprised, and in the end we're all following the same goal, and therefore also everyone was interested.
It's always great to see the collaboration that's here, and there's always something to learn, which we all need to remember. Every day's a learning day.